Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Learn. Let's know about countries and their capitals. Country Australia, capital Canberra. Country Afghanistan, capital Kabul. Country Brazil, capital Brasilia. Country Bangladesh, capital Dhaka. Country Canada, capital Ottawa. Country China, capital Beijing. Country Finland, capital Helsinki. Country Greece, capital Athens. Country Greenland, capital Nuuk. Country Hong Kong, capital Victoria. Country India, capital New Delhi. Country Japan, capital Tokyo. Country Oman, capital Muscat. Country Philippines, capital Manila. Country Pakistan, capital Islamabad. Country Nepal, capital Kathmandu. Country New Zealand, capital Wellington. Country Russia, capital Moscow. Country Sri Lanka, capital Colombo. Country South Africa, capital Cape Town. Country Saudi Arabia, capital Riyadh. Country Switzerland, capital Bern. Country Sweden, capital Stockholm. Country Qatar, capital Doha. Country Thailand, capital Bangkok. Country United Arab Emirates, capital Abu Dhabi. Country United Kingdom, capital London. Country United States of America, capital Washington. Country Yemen, capital Sanaa. Country Zimbabwe, capital Harare. Thanks for watching Kids Learn. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.